In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash into GCash via PayPal. To start, you need to ensure your GCash account is fully verified. This is crucial because only verified accounts can perform cash-in transactions. Without verification, you might face restrictions that can hinder your process. Next, make sure your PayPal account is also verified. Verified accounts have higher security and fewer limitations, making transactions smoother and safer. Verifying your PayPal account helps in avoiding any unnecessary delays or blocks during the transfer process. Now it's important to check that both your GCash and PayPal accounts are registered under the same name. This ensures seamless linking and reduces the chances of transaction failures. Mismatched names can lead to issues that are often time-consuming to resolve. Before proceeding, convert your PayPal balance to PHP. GCash transactions are processed in Philippine pesos, so converting beforehand helps streamline the process. It prevents any conversion mishaps or unexpected fees during the transaction. The next step is to link your PayPal account to GCash. This connection is vital, as it allows you to transfer funds directly between the two platforms. Linking ensures that your accounts can communicate effectively, making future transactions quicker and hassle-free. Once you have all of that ready, open the GCash app on your mobile device. The app should display a user-friendly interface with various options available at your fingertips. Tap on the Cash In button. This is where you initiate the process of transferring funds into your GCash account. The Cash In option is usually located prominently on the home screen for easy access. From there, tap on the Global Banks and Partners option. This section lists all the international payment platforms and banks that GCash partners with. It's important because it confirms GCash's capability to handle international transactions. Next, locate and tap on PayPal. Selecting PayPal tells GCash that this is the source of your funds. It is essential to choose the correct partner to avoid any misdirection of funds. Now, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Be sure to double-check this figure to ensure it's correct. Entering the correct amount is crucial to avoid any discrepancies or need for adjustments later. Tap Next to proceed. This will take you to a screen where you can review the transaction details. Taking a moment to review these details is important to confirm everything is accurate. At this point, make sure that all the information, such as the amount and the accounts involved, is precisely as you intend. This step is a safeguard against any errors that could affect the transaction. Once you're satisfied with the details, tap Confirm. This finalizes the transaction, and a confirmation message should appear on your screen. This confirmation reassures you that the cash-in process has been successfully initiated, and there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to cash into your GCash account via PayPal seamlessly. Remember, ensuring that all preliminary steps are completed correctly can save you a lot of time and effort. Thank you for watching.